Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $2,000, Detroit, Michigan. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is an affordable G-body project that already runs and drives. Powered by what appears to be a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, the car offers plenty of potential for restoration, customization, or even a street machine build. The aluminum racing wheels add a sporty touch, although the lack of a title should be carefully considered before purchase. The Monte Carlo remains one of the most popular Chevrolet personal luxury coupes of the 1980s. At only $2,000, this Detroit example could be an attractive project for someone looking to enter the classic car hobby on a budget. Number 2. 1968 Chevrolet Impala, and $9,000, Port Huron, Michigan. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala is powered by the respected 327 cubic inch V8 engine and is described as a running and driving classic. While the car does have some visible rust, it remains a complete vehicle with nearly 200,000 miles showing on the odometer. The 1968 Impala is part of one of Chevrolet's most successful full-size generations, featuring clean styling and excellent parts availability. With its strong V8 power and iconic appearance, this Michigan Impala could make a rewarding restoration project or weekend cruiser. Number 3. 1965 Pontiac GTO, $9,500, Holland, Michigan. This 1965 Pontiac GTO represents one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built. Equipped with a Hurst 4-speed manual transmission, rally gauges, and a dual exhaust system, this car offers many of the features enthusiasts look for in a classic GTO. The seller confirms that it runs and drives but still requires additional work. The 1965 GTO helped establish the muscle car era and remains highly collectible today. Even as a project, a genuine GTO at this price level presents significant value and strong long-term collector appeal. Number 4. 1978 Buick Regal, $4,500, Powell, Ohio. This 1978 Buick Regal appears to be a remarkably preserved survivor that has spent the last 30 years stored in a garage. With only 72,485 miles and just 2 owners, the car benefits from long-term preservation and comes with a replacement headliner and dome light ready for installation. The Regal became one of General Motors' most popular intermediate luxury coupes during the late 1970s. Clean survivors like this are becoming harder to find, making this Ohio example an appealing entry-level collector car. Number 5. 1973 Dodge Polara Custom Wagon, $7,000, Rockford, Michigan. This 1973 Dodge Polara wagon is powered by a durable 360 cubic inch Mopar V8 and is described as a strong-running, road-ready classic. Finished in green with a matching green interior, it embodies the style and practicality of American station wagons from the early 1970s. Large Mopar wagons have become increasingly desirable among collectors due to their rarity and distinctive appearance. This Polara offers practicality, V8 power, and classic charm in one package. Number 6. 1973 Mercury Montego MX Villager Wagon, $8,000, Sydney, Arkansas. This 1973 Mercury Montego MX Villager wagon is an impressively equipped full-size wagon powered by a 400 cubic inch engine and a dependable C6 automatic transmission. The seller reports rust-free bodywork, a new carburetor, a completely renewed ignition system, and functioning air conditioning that simply requires attention to a leak. The Ford 9-inch rear axle and included replacement springs, shocks, and headliner add value. Wagons from this era are becoming collectible, and this well-maintained Montego stands out as a highly usable vintage family cruiser. Number 7. 1959 Edsel Ranger, $9,900, Friendship, Wisconsin. This 1959 Edsel Ranger is one of the most affordable opportunities to own a truly unique piece of American automotive history. Powered by a 292 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, the car runs, drives, and stops despite needing significant restoration. The Edsel brand had a short production life, making surviving examples increasingly interesting to collectors. While this car has rust, an engine that smokes, and aged tires, its low asking price makes it an intriguing restoration candidate. Number 8. 1968 Dodge Dart, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1968 Dodge Dart benefits from a recently installed Slant 6 engine and an impressive list of mechanical upgrades, including a new fuel tank, radiator, brakes, shocks, and ignition components. The car runs and drives well, with the seller describing it as approximately 95% rust-free. Known for reliability and simplicity, the Dodge Dart remains one of the most practical classic Mopars to own. This rare four-door sedan offers an excellent foundation for restoration while remaining usable during the process. Number 9. 1962 Chevrolet Nova Wagon, $4,000, Bremerton, Washington. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova Wagon combines classic compact styling with practical wagon versatility. The 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission provide a traditional driving experience, while extensive restoration work has already been completed on the brakes, fuel system, floor pans, alternator, and tires. Although some rust remains and electrical work is needed, this Nova is already a running vehicle. Early Nova wagons continue to attract enthusiasts because of their lightweight design and strong aftermarket support. Number 10. 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $3,000, Eugene, Oregon. This 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III offers classic luxury at a very attractive price. Powered by a V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, the car runs and drives but requires several repairs to reach its full potential. The Mark III was Lincoln's answer to the Cadillac Eldorado and remains known for its elegant styling and luxurious appointments. At only $3,000, this Oregon classic presents excellent value for someone willing to invest in its restoration. Number 11. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $3,000, Memphis, Tennessee. This 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a complete project car that will require a full restoration. Finished in blue and powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it offers an excellent starting point for enthusiasts of General Motors muscle-era vehicles. The 1971 Cutlass is among the most desirable Oldsmobile models thanks to its sharp styling and strong performance heritage. Given the popularity of Cutlass restorations, this project could become a rewarding investment. Number 12. 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $4,500, WILLITS, California. This 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle is a solid running and driving project that features the desirable auto-stick transmission. The body reportedly has very little rust, and the car retains much of its original character, including the factory radio. While the driver's seat, bumpers, and turn signals need attention, the overall condition appears quite good. Super Beetles remain among the most recognizable and affordable classics, with excellent parts availability and strong enthusiast support. Number 13. 1975 Chrysler Cordoba, $2,700, Irvine, California. This 1975 Chrysler Cordoba appears to be an exceptional survivor with only 24,137 original miles. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8, it runs well and retains its original interior, which the seller describes as being in excellent condition. The primary need is exterior paintwork, making this a cosmetic project rather than a major mechanical undertaking. Early Cordobas are gaining appreciation as examples of 1970s American personal luxury design, and this low-mileage example offers significant potential. Number 14. 1972 Mercury Cougar Convertible, $8,500, Port Angeles, Washington. This 1972 Mercury Cougar Convertible combines open-air cruising with V8 performance. Powered by a Cleveland 4-barrel engine and backed by a recently rebuilt transmission, the car also benefits from a new convertible top. The Cougar Convertible is far less common than many competing muscle-era convertibles, giving it additional collector appeal. With its excellent condition and recent mechanical work, this Washington car appears ready to be enjoyed immediately. Number 15. 1974 MGB GT, $9,500, La Jolla, California. This 1974 MGB GT is one of the nicest driver quality examples in this group. Equipped with a desirable 5-speed transmission conversion, the car features original paint, a clean interior, rebuilt carburetors, upgraded ignition components, new brakes, new tires, and a complete exhaust system. The MGB GT combines British sports car handling with practical hatchback versatility. With everything reportedly functioning properly and no leaks present, this California example stands out as a well-maintained classic that can be enjoyed on modern roads with confidence.